Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video you're gonna see me cooking stewed chicken, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So guys, I'm about to show you guys how I clean the chicken and how I take off the excess fat that is on the chicken. So let go. So the first thing first I normally do is take off the excess fat that is on it, and I remove the skin. If you guys like the skin on your chicken, comment it down below if you like it on or off. Comment it, let me know in the comment section. Guys, with my stewed chicken, I do not like no form of fat on the chicken, so I'm gonna do my best, as I always do, to take off all the fat that I can possibly take off. And what I do right here is scrape it off, and then I just cut off the fat. There we go. So let's see. So guys, you see all that fat? It's about to be gone because I don't like seeing it. Look at that. I'm about to get all of it. So what I do is I change the knife. I get a smaller knife so I can hold the chicken better, so I can be able to take off the fat that I can take off. So guys, don't forget to like up this video, subscribe, share up the video guys, and comment down below, and don't forget to turn the notification bell so you won't miss an upload from me. Enjoy the video guys. So guys, I'm about to cut them up in small pieces and then wash my chicken. So watch me do my thing. So guys, I'm out of lime, so I'm gonna use lemon and vinegar to wash my chicken. Guys, I don't know if it's me, but I would literally wash my chicken 3 or 4 times with the vinegar because, you know, I just love my chicken clean, okay? So, chicken clean, time for season up. Almost finished. Gonna let it simmer down. You know, and thing.